Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We continue to wait on the rain chances later on in the week. For now, though, going to be continued dry out there, and with the winds picking up today, that's going to be a bit of an issue out there, as we do have red flag warnings in place for much of the area, the magenta or the pink shaded areas under red flag warnings, and really the 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. period covers the entire area that's on the Nebraska part of this map here. Some places start a little bit later than others, some end a little bit earlier than others, but again, just kind of covering the bases. Again, we are looking at the fire risk being quite high out there today because of stronger winds and very low relative humidity levels. It will be a chilly-ish start to the day. Not a bad start, though. A lot of us in the 40s to kick things off. Another mild one, very similar, if not maybe a degree or two warmer than yesterday out there. And once again, the clouds being just a touch thicker the farther southeast that you go, and those winds a bit on the breezy side. Almost windy, in fact, in northern and western parts of the viewing area. That's where winds will be strongest today. Heading into tonight, very similar temperature-wise, although as clouds thicken up to the southeast, those temps may actually rise a little bit there, and we could even see a little bit of drizzle or light rain possible in those spots, maybe some patchy fog. Look for more clouds for tomorrow, a bit of a breeze out of the southeast again, so it will be a touch cooler, although not bad, low to mid 60s still, so really you could almost put mild on this map here. As we go towards the end of the day, maybe a couple of sprinkles, but look at the precipitation out west. That's the precipitation we're watching as our storm system will start to push eastward and bring us better chances of rain late Wednesday night into Thursday. I'm going to cover that more in the 7-day forecast because there's a lot to talk about there. But for now, it's going to be dry, mainly sunny up north, so it'll actually be warmer to the north, low to mid 70s. Winds also stronger, south winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. To the west, winds will be fairly strong, lower 70s, along with mostly sunny skies. Could see some blowing dust because of those stronger winds, and it's been so dry out towards the west. To the south, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, again the clouds being a little bit thicker. Winds still fairly breezy, but not as strong as to the north and west. Upper 60s, lower 70s. I'll also go upper 60s and lower 70s to the east with partly cloudy skies. Winds just a touch lighter, but still a bit on the breezy side. Now to your extended forecast. Again, a lot to get through here. Again, keeping it dry through Wednesday. It's Wednesday night, mainly after midnight, when those rain chances pick up. Showers, isolated thunderstorms. I'm not expecting severe weather, but there could be just enough instability to get some rumbles of thunder Wednesday night, and that could even continue all the way through Friday. I have some pretty decent rainfall in the forecast through that time frame. Basically what we have is an area of cut-off low pressure system, cut off from the jet stream, which typically means it moves very slowly. This could give us a good soaking rain depending on the track of the system. We could get just a little bit of rain, or we could get a lot of rain, maybe several inches of rain, if things track just right with this Wednesday night through Friday. So that there is some potential good news in the forecast. Beyond Friday, then the precipitation chances really do come into question. So I have much lower chances over the weekend. We could still see a pretty good soaking rain over the weekend, or we could get completely missed and the system could be out of here. Again, this system could be a very slow mover, lingering for 4 or 5 days, or it could clear out of here after a couple of days. So those are the big questions that still remain, and of course, depending on if we have rain or not, sun or not, that would determine how warm or cool it will be as we head through the weekend. It does look like for sure by Monday we will be drying things out, and it will be a touch cooler, just slightly below average with highs in the lower 60s. So hopefully, fingers crossed that we can pick up some really good rain here as we get towards the end of the week. It's not a guarantee by any means, but it's the best chances of rain we've had for a while, so hopefully we can pick up something. And the good news is we're spared from severe weather. I don't see that happening, just a few rumbles of thunder, maybe some tiny hail, but again, I think the severe weather threat, go back to me here real quick, the severe weather threat should be fairly low. So there's your forecast for today. Again, enjoy the nice weather ahead of us if you don't mind the breeze. It looks pretty good out there for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great Tuesday.